Just as we take care of our skin and body, our hair needs to be taken proper care of also. And what's the best for getting healthy, nourished hair short of dandruff and flakiness? Fenugreek seeds, of course. Fenugreek seeds, more generally known as methi, is a common seasoner found in any Indian kitchen. It's time you incorporate this simple ingredient into your hair care regime to reap the best benefits for your hair. Why are fenugreek seeds good for your hair? 1. It contains nicotinic acid along with other useful proteins that promote hair growth. 2. It is a natural solution for any problems of dandruff. 3. The seeds have a high percentage of lecithin, which helps to impart a great shine to the hair along with retaining the natural hair color. 4. It is very effective in halting hair fall as it strengthens and nourishes the hair roots. 5. It is an amazing natural hair conditioner which helps to improve the texture of the hair. Using fenugreek seed water for hair growth and healthy, luscious hair. Fenugreek seeds are going to be your go-to ingredient for frizz-free, long and luscious locks. Soak 3-4 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in a bowl of warm water. Make sure that the quantity of water is double of the total amount seeds you soak. Keep the seeds soaked in the water overnight. The next day, after your shampoo course, use this fenugreek soaked water to rinse your hair. Repeat this twice a week to get noticeable results. You will soon find a natural glow to your now frizz-free hair along with superb length. Eating fenugreek seeds for long locks. Soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in 2 glasses of water. Ensure that you soak it overnight. The next morning, strain the seeds and drink the fenugreek-flavored water in an empty stomach. Doing this will lead to numerous benefits, the main of which is a stimulated hair growth with hair nourishment. Repeat this daily. Fenugreek seeds for treating hair loss and promoting hair growth. First, ground 8-10 grams of fenugreek seed powder. Now, mix 2 tablespoons of this powder with 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Ensure that both the ingredients are mixed well and that no lumps are to be found. Apply this mixture to your hair and scalp. This will provide you with a natural fix to your dull or damaged hair. Keep the hair mass on for at least 30 minutes and then shampoo it off. Repeat the process thrice in a week to protect your hair from environmental damage and to ensure proper hair growth. Fenugreek seeds for dandruff treatment. If you're one of those who has an extreme problem with dandruff that just refuses to go, you've come to the right post. Here's a simple and natural solution to your problem. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight. The next morning, prepare a paste of the soaked seeds in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply this paste on your scalp and be ready to bid adieu to all that dandruff that irritates you. Use this once a week to get quicker results.
If you have a question, please leave us a comment. We will try to answer you as soon as possible. Share this video and subscribe to our channel.